I've just put the new toy of the bells inside her cage, and she's looking at it. She's got her head all tilted down. She's really looking at it now. What's that? What is it? What do you think? Look at this, look. She's looking at it, isn't she? She's thinking, oh, what's that in my cage? What's that in my cage? Why are you closing your eyes? Why are you closing your eyes? What are you doing? Hey, sweetie. Right, she's probably going to bite me as I go to put her in a cage because she doesn't like her. Come on then. Come on. In you go. What's in there? What is it? What is that? What is it? And she's just going to attack it. She's a bit of a moody female, this bird. 1 minute she's friendly, and then the next she goes and bites you. So I'm not surprised she's doing that with the toy. I'm not really sure if that means she's playing with it or attacking it, but it's kind of a, you're not coming out, no, no, no. I'm trying to show you your new toy. What have you got? What have you got in there? What is it? What's this? What's this? Well, there's something different for her to play with. And What is that, eh? Ooh, whoops. Oh, that probably wasn't the best idea. I don't know if she likes it. What is it? Now, does this mean she likes it or not? Oh, whoa. Gosh. She's being an acrobat. What is it? It's your new toy, but you don't need to go bananas on it. You crazy girl. You're a crazy bird, you are. Crazy female, that's what she is. She's been a crazy girl. What you doing? She's playing with her toy. Well, she seems to like it. If that's anything to go by. Yeah, she likes it. We're going to be hearing the noise a bit for a while, I think. Crazy. You're going crazy. Was she playing with it, or was she attacking it and trying to get it away from her cage? Let me know what you guys think, because I'm not sure. You're tired now. You're getting tired now. I'm not surprised you'll wear yourself out doing that, won't you? Hey. Hey. You're going to go and bite me now, aren't you? Because you're in that mood. Or maybe not. Maybe just a peck. Oh, that's good. What's that? That's your new toy. Wow, she is really into it. I hope she can't get stuck on it. It's supposed to be a bird toy and it says it's safe and everything, so. What are you doing? What you doing? She can't understand that she can't get through it yet. She seems to think she can get through the circle bits. Well, I think this is a success though, if she's going to be amused and play with it a lot like this. But I just hope she doesn't hurt herself. Let me know what you guys think, because this is a very safe toy. Oh my goodness. Calm down, little girl. Calm down. What is it? You like it, don't you? But you've got to learn you can't go through it and you keep putting your head through. And then I think you're going to strangle yourself. Is this how they're supposed to play with it, guys? I've not seen a bird sort of put their head through it and like that before. What you doing? Do you like it? What you doing? What do you think?